Hey, Rainbow here. How you doing? Today was not a good start to my day, I can tell you that. I can tell you that this came in really handy today because, well, let's just say I didn't have my coffee at home. Let's talk about this. So, this is not supposed to be like that. Surprise, surprise. That is not supposed to be cracked off. And let me tell you what happened. I'll have to show you the picture because unfortunately my ring system caught the aftermath but didn't catch what actually happened in my driveway. So yeah, it's all because of coffee. I was up a little late last night trying to do some editing for a video that I put about changing the chain here. And so I woke up a little bit later than normal, and was a little tired. Didn't have an appetite, so I said, you know what? I'll have coffee when I get to work. I'll get something to eat when I get to work. And bad choice. Really, really bad choice. So what happened was I rolled the bike out like I normally do, but when I went to move it, I realized, I left it in first gear. In order to click it out of first gear, I put the kickstand up, put it into neutral, which I never really have to do when I back it out of the garage. So I back it out of the garage, forget the kickstand is up, and I have this like literally routine every morning, and I go ahead and literally the bike just falls down. I get off of it as fast as I do when the kickstand is down, and the bike fell down, landed on the crash bar. Somehow, I don't know what it hit, but it hit my windscreen, and my windscreen's broken. So I have a new one on order, so that'll be, at least there'll be a video coming up. And that's not the worst of it. The worst of it is that I was close to my car, so I damaged my car. So I broke the windscreen, and I damaged my own car in the driveway, all because I thought the kickstand was down. Just rookie mistake. It happens. You'll have that. I'm happy about the crash bars because really nothing else happened to the bike. I can't even find scratches on the crash bar, So that was really good. My back is hurting because this thing is heavy to pick up. And I will tell you, even with the crash bars, it goes down pretty far, and it is a heavy bike to pick up. So I got it up. My back's sore. I'm getting old, but I was able to pick it up by myself. And so now we have a video coming out for the windscreen. So I'll be putting a new windscreen in. You'll learn about which one I bought. I did not get one from Ducati because for some reason the replacement for that thing right there was over $400, which made absolutely no sense. I had them verified after I got off the phone with them at the Ducati dealer. Yet the larger touring windscreen is only 200 and something, which is still expensive. And I was like, what's up with that? So I ended up calling Duca Bike and ordering one through them, and we'll be doing a video when I unbox it and put it in. And that's it. So bad luck today, and work was really no better when I got there. There were 2 fires I had to put out as far as office fires. It wasn't a good day today. It really wasn't. And then on the way home, I went through a red light with the motorcycle, but I didn't get a ticket, almost got hit. So I need to stay off this bike for the rest of today, and tomorrow's another day. This is Rainbow. My misfortune is your entertainment. So sorry. Have a great day. Bye-bye.